Oh, no kidding. Claude has added web search. Oh,
They
I wonder if that's
have
Perplexity.
and code generation, like and the like.
Yeah. Is it
Um,
Perplexity behind it? Do you know?
I don't know.
Oh, and here's the
Yep,
analysis tool.
analysis tool as well. Okay, I'm gonna go to our AI After Hours channel. Whoops. No, where'd it go? Hey. Oh, I think. Nope. YouTube. This is the most exciting live stream. Watch Polly and Yu Ying browsing the web.
Is this still the same live stream or is it a different one now?
Now it is a new one.
Okay.
If it's working, view your channel.
So it's the testing streaming.
Yeah, but it's not showing anything, is it? Exciting live stream. Watch Polly and Yu Ying browsing the web.
Is this still no, I see the video. Do you see my look
Now
at my
it
screen
is a
share?
new one.
Okay.
Yep, it's working. Now the
I
only
have
thing
the
is
audio
it's
turned off over there, but that's the YouTube what you're seeing.
so what I'm seeing on YouTube though doesn't show it's zoomed in, so it only shows the top like quarter. Like it doesn't show
Yeah,
your full screen and Marshawn at all.
so you gotta fix your ratios
Gotcha. Gotta be like,
inside OBS. Yeah.
oh man, that's gonna be so tiny. I guess I would do this all on my larger screen. OBS, OBS, OBS. I see. Okay. Whoa. Oh, it's you who is watching the YouTube.
Yeah, I'm watching. So I'll switch over to my Claude, otherwise it'll be very confusing. Wow. NVIDIA. What's my NVIDIA?
Oh, that's my
That's my
desktop.
Claude.
I see. Oh, weird. Okay, no. So I see. Okay, no. Instead of yes, I don't want to share my whole desktop. I get it. I want to share. Okay. I don't have any sources, but I'm adding them back in. Screen capture. This will be our Zoom participants and screen share. Okay. And instead of being display capture, that'll be my application capture from Zoom.
I'm writing a balloon popper game. Just yeah.
Oh, fun.
I mean, Claude is writing a balloon popper game. I'm not really writing a balloon popper game.
Zoom.
Oh my god, these balloons are weirdly shaped.
Little light bulbs. We're gonna get this. Zoom screen share. I can't seem to share the Zoom now. That's weird.
Gonna make the balloon popper game in 4 different while you're doing your.
Exactly.
We're gonna do a head-to-head balloon popper game. Sure.
Oh, I can't capture from Chrome. Oh, yes, I can. Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Oh, is it because I? Oh, yeah, that's the problem. Okay, I get it now.
That one is the Replit. This one, am I signed in? Yeah, I'm signed in on here. It's lovable. I'm signed in.
So I was playing with Lovable, and I totally ran into that thing where you're like, "Oh, this is frustrating and not working," and then they're like, "Oh, you're out of messages. Want to upgrade?" And I was like, oh, "Of course they're killing it." When people are like, "Sunk cost fallacies," or $20 to keep going when you might be close.
Wait, hey, I'm actually. This is a fairly fun game here. I made it so that it speeds up as the score gets higher.
That's funny. Oh my goodness.
All right, so I'm gonna copy over the same prompts into. What?
There.
Nope. I thought I was copying in the prompt.
Are you still sharing your screen?
Yeah, can you? I'm like building apps and stuff.
I know. Oh, I can. It's weird because I can see it in the.
All right, this is a prompt off between 4 different builders here. Okay, so this is the Claude artifact. Can you see the little?
Yeah.
Boop.
Totally.
Boop. I made like 2 adjustments, which is make the confetti bigger and make it speed up as you're playing.
Yeah.
No, I can't find the. I'm like, it's the weirdest looking balloons ever. I don't know why the balloons are shaped like that. Let's see. Lovable is working. V0 is working. Replit. Ooh, there we go. Add difficulty. So you'll see Replit, it actually plans out. Add difficulty levels with faster balloons. Ooh, implement different balloon types with special effects. High score leaderboard.
Ooh.
Power-ups. All right, well, I'm approving the plan. So Replit is the only one that does this thing where it shows you plans and suggests other features.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so then it builds. So let's see. Lovable, I believe I am paying, so I won't run out of messages here. V0 is free right now. Need more messages. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, V0 is here. Start the game. Whee. Oh, at least the balloons look like balloons. Where's my confetti? Where's my confetti? How do I stop the game? I can't. I have no confetti.
Oh,
this one is still building. Okay, so when the balloons pop, there should be a shower of colored confetti. All right. Let's see. This one is still building. Do we want to make any more adjustments to the Claude? All right. Give me different shapes of balloons. Because that is just weird looking. I don't know why that's this way. Okay. Ooh, see, I tend to what's going on with the what the heck?
Oh my god, that's awesome.
I'm like, what is happening to the I can't. No, I can't. Why? What happened to the balloons? What? Hold on. The balloons should float from the bottom of the screen. Yeah, screen up to the top slowly. Okay. Let's. I was like, what the heck?
I love it.
How? Oh, hands. Okay, here we go. V0 is back. The significant delay with these. Oh, boop. Oh, I'm getting a little bit confetti, but they're like in the wrong place. I don't know if you can see the confetti, but they're like showing up in a weird place.
The
Do you like?
Sorry,
Uh?
I'm trying to
Like,
make. I'm trying to. I'm still playing with the streaming. I'm half paying attention, but I'm coming back. I swear.
Yeah.
There.
Checkpoints. I've used 50% of my starter. All right, here we go. Replit, come on, Replit, show me how good you are. Balloon popper. Oh, look at the Replit one.
Oh, the balloons weren't a weird shape or anything.
Yeah. All right. So in the balloon popper prompt off,
Yeah.
Replit is a winner with Claude a pretty close second.
So did you have? Was it just exactly the same prompt?
Wait, there's sound. Wait, hold on. There's sound.
Oh, I can't hear it.
I don't know if you can hear, but there's music.
There's music?
Yeah. There's music. Hold on. I'm gonna reshare. There's music to my
That's crazy.
my game.
Wow, it's even creepy.
That's my game. Okay, so that was here's a V0. We're like, what the heck is the confetti is on there somewhere? It's very hard to see.
And if you look at the live stream right now.
All right, lovable. What? What? The what? I can't catch the balloons. I'm like, what the hell?
I need a way to make your. I know what I'll do.
Yeah.
I was like, I need to make yours bigger.
Why are there balloons at the bottom? Like, what is it going on? Are they floating down here at the bottom? There's something happening to the, like, I'm popping them somehow, but this is not, like, they're just throwing them in the air. Oh, different shape balloon. Oh, what on earth has happened to my Claude balloons? Why are they shaped like this? It's supposed to have different shapes. I don't know. I don't understand why that's a balloon. It's like upside down. Oh, okay. This is kind of like how I think these things will be. That obviously won't always be the balloon popping game, and you'll see when you try different cases. Each one of these, you'll have it's not always the same one that you like the best.
Right. Yeah, exactly.
I have not liked Replit the best, except for this is the only one so far, and I usually try with these four. Isn't this fun?
It's super cool. I'm thinking too, and I'm sorry that I'm distracted that like while we're doing it, I'm just trying to like get the things working as far as how it appears on the live screen. But I'm thinking, because what happens with the live stream when I'm looking over at it is it's like I was thinking we need to show both side by side or something, because it would be like, let's build something, you build it, no, I'll build it. But I think it'd be better if we just switch screens, like someone has control of the screen and is doing something like you said, like, hey, let's try this. Yeah, because for these, like, while they generate, there's not necessarily a lot to look at on that screen. One of the reasons why I go back and forth, I don't know what's happening with Lovable. I'm just like, this is like a dodgeball. Which one is this V0?
This is Lovable. This is like, I'm like, what? It's too fast. I can't.
That is so funny. And so you have a big long prompt for this. Did you use AI to create the prompt?
This is a super short prompt.
Oh, okay.
This is write a web app balloon popper game of different colored balloons that float around and burst into confetti when I click it.
Nice.
That's like these scores, those are all like, it just shows you how it's So usually when I do something like this, I have this one prompt that I just copy and paste.
Yeah.
When it's something like this, I won't write but my task or guitar one, like I have a saved off prompt somewhere that I
Yeah.
know
Okay.
is what it takes.
Yeah.
So that one, this is Confetti Pop Festival. So I will show you my.
Yeah, like what kind of stuff have you done so far?
So this guitar one with this AI hooked up in here. That prompt I worked through with Artifact and then I saved off the prompt with examples of because it's a synchronized animation between the three views of standard change aperture and fretboard. Like I have.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So this is like getting to the point where it can be an app. The next thing was I was gonna hook. Right now, this is just Claude, but I was gonna hook it up so that it becomes context aware of what else is happening.
When you say it's Claude, isn't that in Lovable?
Right, but this little tutor part.
Oh, I see. Got it.
So in this app, it has an AI chatbot hooked in.
And it's just Claude. Got it.
Yeah. So right now it's not context aware. It doesn't control what's on the left. So I was going to make it context aware first, and then have this to be able to generate mini lessons and just generate what's on this side. Right. So this is a more involved application. I have Google sign in set up. So you can save preferences. I will put in I'll probably hook in Shopify so you can pay for it. So this is much more involved. That's like a couple of weekends.
Okay.
So you can see with that one, I obviously landed on Lovable because it was the best one I did. I did the other ones as well for the guitar, and then I landed on Lovable for the guitar one.
Yeah.
This one, I was doing this visualizes knowledge graphs that I was trying to create for my team because I was trying to build a memory system behind what I have using knowledge graphs. But it's very difficult to understand if your knowledge graph is good or not. So I built a visualizer, and you can upload. This is file upload.
That's really cool.
So, and then I had the AI chat was going to be, as you can tell, it was supposed to talk to the knowledge graph. Adding, right? I think did I start a task manager on this one? I'm redoing, I don't want to do Monday. This is a Kanban board, right?
Right.
But we have collaboration. So I was just trying to get Monday to have a view of the board that's an exact duplicate what I have, but only so this one has this this filtered view.
Yeah.
Monday was so complicated. I could not, and they were like, "Oh, if you want it all synced, you need a plugin you have to buy over here, and then IT has to approve." I'm just like, "Oh my god."
Yeah, too much.
And we're like 5 people, right?
Yeah.
So I have this. I'm gonna have it hooked up Supabase, and then.
Oh, nice. Just
I moved this over to my work one.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna hook it up to our system. So then in Slack, you can usually be like, "Oh, I'm already done with that one," and it'll just update. So I can have this.
Oh, no. I see. You can connect it with Slack. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, because we now support the MCP framework.
Nice.
I could just hook it in, right? Because we did a lot of work for our Slack app to be integrated, so you can talk to it in a channel, configure it, and all these things. And I just needed to talk to the memory system that's behind here.
So when you're introducing other tools like Supabase or Slack, My first attempt at this was to do something that would help me organize my email by voice, so I can like have it read out my emails as I'm driving in the car and be like, oh yeah, file that one under, I think there's a folder called homework, and they'd be like, oh, the closest thing is blah blah blah,
And
and I'd be like, yeah,
I have
good,
to I have
right?
to save this game here. This
Yeah,
game has
the game's
done
pretty
well.
funny. But it was the configuration with like the Google Cloud services to connect to the Google API that like it was more like it was getting lost in like
Yeah.
configuration
So
files and
here's the
stuff.
thing. I did that integration with Lovable. I just had it walk me through step by step,
Okay.
and it did. And I got like that Google the guitar one has Google login,
Mm-hmm.
and it walked me through it,
Nice.
like
I mean,
like
I think I
creating
think
the
I attempted the same
API,
thing,
all
and
of
I
those
was
things.
super frustrated because it was like I did everything it said, and it was still like failing, and then it kept being just I ended up in a loop. But
Yeah. So when
that
it
may not
does
be
those
typical.
kind of things, it's still right now. I think it should do it for you, but it doesn't.
Yeah. Well, I mean, when they get to the point where it can like control your screen and go to a new tab, and
Yeah.
then it'll be great. But
But like the guitar one, I was just like, it looks like a real thing.
yeah,
Oh, like I'm
seriously.
gonna I need to get enough time to like do all the pieces.
Yeah.
Um,
Um, I gotta go in 10 minutes. I do have a call.
yeah.
But this was fun. It was super cool to see the balloons. I'm glad we got to play.
I know. I'm like, okay, I wasn't expecting that Replit would be the winner on the balloon popper
Yeah.
game with sound and everything.
And I've
But
been paying for
that's the
Replit.
thing, you just don't know which one.
Right. And playing with them, have you found anything that like one's better than the other?
I mean, uh, I really liked Lovable, but then today Lovable's like, what the hell?
Right.
Lovable in terms of general UI and applications,
Yeah.
it does better. Apparently, it's not very good at balloon games. I don't
Yeah,
know why
exactly.
we're playing
And then
dodgeball
and
right
then
now,
are
but
they all making something fully like deployable? Because I remember finding like Lovable was definitely good at like the slickest things, but they're all pretty much full stack. Hey.
yep. So this one you publish. This one
Oh,
you
nice.
can deploy. I have
Yeah.
it deployed. V0 deploys on Vercel.
Nice.
And for all of them, if you want custom domain, then you pay.
You pay.
Same for Replit deploy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
And is
Replit
it
I think
like
has its own cloud.
adding in like an authentication layer to monetize it and stuff? No big deal.
I've only done that with Lovable. I'm gonna guess Claude doesn't have it, but you do for the other two.
Yeah, interesting. Yeah,
Because
Claude would.
V0 is built on Vercel, and Vercel is a web server.
Yeah,
so,
yeah, totally.
right.
Very
Um,
cool.
And I crisscross over like between Lovable. I think you could do the same with Replit with Windsurf because this is connected to my GitHub.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So then I have Windsurf on in my IDE, and when it does better like fixing infrastructure and backend stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
And when it checks in
that'd
the
be such-
code,
I was gonna say that would be
Lovable
what
just picks it up.
I'd love to know is like I've seen a lot of these like demo, here's a prompt. Oh, it made a fun game. But the next step is really like, no, but how do I make something real? And I think that's the workflow I've been confused about because it's like, oh, okay, you are using version control on these tools don't do that for you.
Oh no, the Lovable, it actually does a GitHub commit every time. I'm like, I have better code documentation because I use Lovable because it just saves that prompt you put in as your commit.
Oh,
and so every version literally has the commit.
Oh, that's
along
so good.
with
So you can roll back because that's my biggest worry was I'm like, I don't want this thing
you
like
can roll back
writing and rewriting code and like in a different way every time I add a new feature that's like gone back and
yeah. So they have restore, so you can literally roll it back because in the back they're doing commits.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm playing for Lovable and Replit right now. It's good to know Bolt is or not Bolt. V0 is free right now still. Hey, and Bolt is the only one I haven't tried.
Because people need to see for what you're trying to do, you literally have to play with it. Go, oh, this one works better for the stuff that I do. Because I've done this for a couple of things, and every time the one that does better job is a different one.
Yeah. Yeah, interesting. Okay, I'm gonna have to keep playing. This is fun. I'd like an excuse to play live every week like this.
Now that we figured out the tech piece,
Exactly. For sharing.
yeah,
Should I keep this one live?
I think we can totally keep it. I think the balloon popper at the end is
Yeah, it's pretty
all
fun.
right. Yeah,
I'm gonna
we
turn
can
off
put in
I'm gonna
like
stop streaming now though. Bye anyone
yeah.
who ever watches this.